Hi, my name is Bill Raggio at Rayotek Scientific, and I'd like to talk about sight windows, specifically the window in the sight windows. What we have here are sight windows, also known as sight glasses, and one thing they all have in common is a window. Window that transmits. It could be designed to transmit in the UV, visible, IR. One can even design windows to transmit in microwave and radio wave frequencies. The window material is usually made of a brittle material, a material such as glass or sapphire in this case, but it's always a brittle material. And we've had some bad experiences with brittle materials such as glass, breaking the glass and spilling the milk, throwing a baseball through a window, all experiences that tell us that glass is fragile and risky to work with. Glass is extremely strong under compression. As a matter of fact, the more you compress it, the stronger it gets. So, for example, we have a trike lamp here. This trike lamp is an extremely safe and robust sight window. Why is that? Because the way it's made is we take this duplex ring, put it in a furnace, put a glass puck in the middle, in this case borosilicate glass, and we heat it up until the glass melts. Now here's where the magic happens. We've designed this such that the CTE, that is the coefficient of thermal expansion of the metal, is much higher than it is for the glass. So what that means is everything expands when it heats up, the glass melts into it, and now everything cools down and the metal shrinks faster than the glass does, compressing down on the glass. We've fired bullets into these sight windows and they don't fail. That gives you an extremely safe, reliable, and robust sight window that won't fail in the field. To watch more exciting videos, click on the link below.